All right guys, we're on day 12 of this renovation project. As you can see, the crew has done a lot of demo and some construction, so let's walk you guys through it. So right now we're in the living room. We got this exposed as of when we bought the property. We also have our kitchen layout done as well. This will be one side of cabinetry. There's gonna be seating here for 3 people with some stools. This side is gonna be the main side of the kitchen. You're gonna have a sink here. You're gonna have dishwasher, your oven with your nice range hood, and more cabinetry here. We covered up this window just because of the cold, but this will be exposed as well, so you'll get a lot of natural light coming into this property. As you walk back here, this will be your mudroom entrance. This is another entrance into the house. It's closed right now, it's locked. But what we did was we built this little nook, which is gonna be like a seating area for somebody to sit down, take their shoes off. And because this house is so small, we added cabinetry underneath and exposed cabinetry under the steps here. And back here, we actually framed out an entire full bathroom. So you'll have your tub with your surround and tiling on the walls. You'll have your toilet here, and then you'll have your vanity here to wash your hands. So next week, Tuesday, we have what's called a walkthrough inspection with the HPC. They're gonna come by, give us the okay to go ahead and start doing rough and plumbing and electrical, and then we'll actually get the toilet, tubs, and all the fixtures put in place. So let's go upstairs. On this side of the house, this is gonna be our laundry room. So we converted this from the only full bath in the house into being a laundry room. Obviously, it's got a slanted ceiling, so if you're anything over 5'10", you can't really use the bathroom in here. So we converted this into being a laundry room. This will be a stackable that we put here. We exposed the brick for some aesthetic, and we put on this wainscoting for additional aesthetic and detail as well. So let's head up to the other side. All right, so here we have a full master bathroom conversion. So originally this room was like half of a bedroom / office area, but it was leading up to another pretty cool area, our attic upstairs. That's gonna be another bedroom for us. So we decided to make this entire area a hallway. Where this wall was is gonna be a nice railing, and in here's gonna be the main full bath in the house. There'll be a double vanity here. We built out a large standing shower here. And then on this side, we built in a toilet that's gonna have a pocket door, so you can kind of conceal yourself in here and do your thing. So in here we have bedroom number 1. Pretty straightforward. We built out this this closet here, and this is a little historic antique vent from the original furnace that was downstairs in the house. I think that furnace is like 80 years old or something. So we're gonna keep it just as a historical touch. But all these floors that are kind of jacked up, we're just gonna sand them down. We're gonna stain them, and then we're gonna refinish them off. So let's head up to the attic. As you can see, these are brand new boards. So we built in this new landing and these steps to come upstairs, but these aren't the finished touch to them. You'll come upstairs to this attic conversion. So what we did was we're gonna make this room into an actual bedroom. So as you can see, there's these 2x4s next to I guess these are wood rafters. So we wanna expose this brown part of the beam. So we have to build in these 2x on the side so you can run drywall up to the ceiling and hang a nice central light, but still expose these beams, which will give it a nice historical look. And up here, we're gonna expose both these brick walls, again, to keep the historical look and feel to the house. Our contractor's gonna come in, clean off the mortar, repoint them, fill in the joints, and just finish off this room as a full bedroom. We added a full, semi-full closet, but again, dealing with the space in smaller houses like this, you have to be creative. So this is gonna be our full closet for up here, but in the back of this closet, we're gonna punch out a little door so you can put some suitcases, maybe some bags, and just have additional storage behind the actual closet itself. So that's our walkthrough for day 12, guys. If you wanna continue and stay tuned with this project, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, run the plan, let's get it.